Chicken fried rice, chicken fried rice, chicken fried rice. I said that thrice. On the menu today, we're going to do a really wonderful chicken fried rice, bit of a kind of Chinese takeaway classic. It really is quite easy, a few little steps to follow, but it's beautiful. Let's get on with it. So let us take a look at what we have here. So obviously we've got our rice. Now I'm using a white basmati rice, and I always find it best to use 1 day old rice. So I cooked that yesterday. It's in the fridge. It's perfect today. Warm and hot rice does not work out so well. This is kind of, dried out a little bit. It's perfect for frying. 3 eggs, 1 chicken breast, no skin or no bone, and I've cut it really nice and thin. 1 onion cut really small. Some garden peas, these are frozen. I just rinsed them in a little bit of water. Green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. 1 tablespoon of garlic. We're going to start this off with some oil. Add salt and pepper. That is about it. It is beautiful. Okay, so you're going to need a wok, skillet or frying pan, something like that. Now I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil, and we've got the heat on high. We're going to cook this all on a very high heat. So we're first going to drop in our onion, our garlic, and we're going to go just for 2 minutes, stirring all the time. Great stuff. Next up, we're going to drop in our chicken. Like I said, this is chicken breast. No skin, no bone, and cut it really nice and thin. To that, we're going to add a nice generous pinch of black pepper and some salt. Again, let's stay on the high heat. About 3 to 4 minutes now. Again, keeping it moving. This is going to be really, really delicious. So simple, but so tasty. Now the chicken is cut so thin that it's going to cook really, really easily. Next up, let's drop in our peas. And like I say, I'm using some green garden peas that were frozen. Just put them in some water, rinse them out a little bit. We're going to go for another 2 to 3 minutes. Again, keep this baby moving. It's going to be wonderful. So this is coming together just great. Right, we're going to get our rice in. And like I said at the beginning, cold rice is great. 1 day old rice is even better. Now what we need to do now is actually fry the rice. You may have heard me say this before with other fried rice recipes. People just, well, I've seen some people throw the rice in. 2 minutes later, they're saying it's done. You really need to fry it. If you get a little bit of browning on the rice, or even blackening, just a little tad, it really, really adds to the beautiful flavor. But yeah, you certainly need to fry it. So we're going to go for about 5 minutes now. So I'm hoping you can hear that. That is your rice frying. That's what you need to be doing. Okay, let's just push this to one side. By the way, you can see I've got a little bit of browning on some of the rice there. Okay, so I've got my eggs now, and I've just lightly beaten them, not gone crazy. Drop it in there. And we're going to just cook it here like this. And then we're going to mix it in. And I like mine fairly well done. You can do it exactly how you want. I'll see you in a moment. Okay, that's good for me. And like I said, I beated it roughly, so you get some yellow and some white in there, which I like. Simply, let's now fold this in for another 2 minutes. Then I'll be back and we're ready. Perfect. Now some people would add some soy sauce to this. Off goes the heat, by the way. I don't find it necessary. I think it's just perfect like this. But yeah, in a Chinese restaurant or takeaway, they've got their burners are massive. They're like jet engines, so they're really, really powerful. And that's how you get the kind of real taste of the rice and that being cooked. That's why it's so important. So, you know, get those little bits of brown rice. They really will make a difference to you. Very simply, let me get some spring onions, scallions, or green onions, whatever you call them. I'm going to fold that in, then I'm going to get this on a plate for you. Job done. And there you go. Beautiful. Doesn't take long. It really, really is important that you use cold rice, I find. That's it. Super easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. A thumbs up is very helpful to us and a comment is lovely. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.